Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most attractive and beautiful designs of smaller lace coasters and doilies. You will see very attractive and beginner friendly ideas in this video. All of them are having 3, 4, 5 or 6 rounds maximum. A few of the designs are having 7 to 8 rounds as well, but most of the designs are having 4 to 6 rounds and are very easy to make. Simple double crochet stitch patterns are used to make them. You can see simple rounds of double crochet stitches are made along with V stitches, shell stitches, and different border edging designs with shell stitches or chain picot designs are made on these coasters, which are also giving an extremely unique and beautiful look. So I hope you're gonna love them all. Just let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos. Some of the tutorial videos of different kinds of coasters are already available on my channel, and some lace doilies patterns are also available. So you can just let me know in the comments if you are interested in specific tutorial videos which are currently not available on my channel. I will make them for you. So visit my channel to get tutorial videos of crochet work and ideas videos of crochet work too. So don't forget to subscribe if you are into my channel, and after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload any video you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. In this single video, you will find almost 35 plus ideas which are all very unique and attractive, and I hope you're gonna love them all. You can just take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home if you know crochet work. Otherwise, you can see beginner friendly tutorial videos which are available on my channel as well, and you can let me know in the comments about any specific pattern as well of any crochet project. So stay connected and share this video with other handmade products lover in your circle, so that they can also get benefit from these type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.